Schizophrenia is a very heterogeneous disease. Everybody says, well, what do you need another antipsychotic for? But in reality, patients are heterogeneous in their response to antipsychotics. So there's always a need to provide patients with another option that may help them maintain their treatment, their symptomatology, and keep it under control, and also help them move forward in their lives and potentially have a sustained response over time that may help improve their long-term outcomes. Brexpriprazole provides that option for those patients. Brexpriprazole is approved in the United States for the use in adults in schizophrenia, and as well as an adjunctive treatment for adults with major depressive disorder, so on top of antidepressants. This particular poster is about our schizophrenia data, and what we wanted to do was to try to simulate real-world experience for clinicians. A lot of times in the clinical space you end up being very regulated by the type of study design that you need to do, but we want to be able to demonstrate that physicians who want to treat patients with schizophrenia acutely when they have an exacerbation of symptoms can then go on to use this treatment as a maintenance treatment, and with the ultimate goal of sustained remission. So what we tried to do was to take patients did a post hoc analysis where we took patients who had, from the efficacious doses of 2 and 4 milligram of brexpiprazole, who had responded in the acute study and then had rolled over into the long-term maintenance study, the safety study that we had done. And so we tried to follow those patients to see how long it took them, or how long they were able to sustain remission. And so we used certain criteria to define remission, and we found that when you went out to over a year of treatment, that close to 35% of those patients who had started out acutely, who were very ill when they started out, had met the criteria for sustained remission past 6 months, at least 6 months. 35% of those patients met that criteria.